Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I want to show you what we got here. We got Panasonic Nano hair dryer. Discover salon quality results at home with Panasonic Nano hair dryer with oscillating quick dry nozzle. This powerful hair dryer uses advanced nanotechnology to infuse moisture into your hair, reducing frizz and enhancing shine for a healthy and radiant look. This hair dryer is with quick oscillating nozzle, now in black and pink and gold color. Innovative back and forth moving nozzle, drying your hair quickly and gently with no hot spot, keeping your hair cool, saving time and effort. Style your hair easily in comfort of your home with professional level results, so easy to use. It is great everyday choice for the whole family. Oscillating nozzle prevent damage to hair, makes sure that your hair and scalp stay healthy by never getting too hot. Shiny, healthy hair. Pro quality attachment. A concentrator nozzle provide focus airflow for precise styling. Full size diffuser add volume while combating frizz. Customize different drying time for different hairstyle and look. We're going to check this stuff out and see what is inside. This is a styling nozzle. Quick dry nozzle. Quick dry nozzle. This is a styling nozzle. This is diffuser. Diffuser. Here we go. And see what it looks like. Panasonic. And see what it looks like. And the cord 2 times 1.0 meter. And this is information pack. So this is what is in here. Let's see. So you just need to push it in. You want to remove it, just put your hand the other way and it's in. And you can see what the cable looks like. I'm happy with this stuff. This gadget deserves your attention.